Don't accept an engagement ring. Learn how to cook first before you bring out your finger. Use your finger to cook before you stretch it out. If you cannot cook, keep your finger.
Welcome to Creative Cooking. This is Delseeta's kitchen, and today I'm gonna do some brown stew, parrot fish, and some pumpkin seasoned rice with a twist. So right here I have 4 parrot fish, clean and seasoned. Everything is already prepped, which is gonna make it much easier for me. I have some shredded pumpkin and some chopped pumpkin, and right here I have my veggies for my brown stewed fish. I have some carrot, I have green and orange bell pepper, I got my okras, onion, got some chopped tomatoes, and right here I have some shredded cabbage to put in my seasoned pumpkin rice, because I'm going to do this with a twist. So everything is already prepped and ready for cooking. So stay tuned for Delseeta's Creative Cooking. So let's start the cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is fry my fish. I'm going to fry the fishes first. So right here I have my frying pan with some oil, and then we'll put some garlic and pepper. So while the fish is frying, let's start cooking our pumpkin seasoned rice. So first I'm going to put some butter in this pot here. Then I'm going to add some chopped onion and chopped garlic. Add 1 bouillon. Now I'm gonna add my pumpkin. Let this pumpkin cook before I put in the shredded pumpkin and the cabbage, and then season it. Nice. Fish fried nice. have my pumpkin, my cabbage, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, pimento seed that is seasoned up real nice. So now I'm going to just cover it down with it one cook. Okay, meantime the fish them I'm going to fry over. Yes, sir. Now I'm putting the shredded pumpkin because the cabbage steam and make it stay for like 2 more minutes and then put in the rice. The last thing I add in my brown stew fish is the okra. So let me introduce this thing here that I bought from the TikTok shop. This container here is a strainer. You can use it to wash your rice and strain the water off the rice. You don't have to worry about the rice spilling all over in the sink. This is so simple and convenient. I bought it at the TikTok shop. You can use it to strain whatever you have to strain. Rice, spaghetti, whatever. This is so convenient. You just wash the rice, strain it, and bring it right over to the pot and just put the rice in the pot. Simple and easy like that. I bought it from the TikTok shop. So now I'm stirring the rice with the pumpkin and all the seasoning, and then I'm gonna let it steam slowly. So if you know me, you know I love my planting. Anything on the side for me is planting. So right here I'm frying some plantain to put on the side, even though I'm going to put some lettuce and tomato, but I still have to put my plantain because I love my plantain. So I let the rice slow cook, and now the water dry out of the rice, and now me I fluff up the rice, and this came out so nice. Trust me, well fluffy, well shelly, pumpkin no mash out. I mean, the cabbage mix in, blend in, everything is just like mwah, cooked to perfection. Look at this. So now that everything finished cooking, I'm gonna plate the food. Right here I got my brown stew fish. Looks so edible. Okra just spread out on its sauce. Over here I got my plantain, and this is the final result. I'm not good at presentation. I try my best, and this is how it looked. Tanaman, my pumpkin rice with a twist. But just feel like try something different and just put some cabbage in it instead of have the cabbage on the side. And trust me, I just can't wait to devour this food. This is like a 5-star meal. The Wednesday, yeah. Talk, man. If you like this creation, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me how I did, and if you eat something like this. And this is Delseeta Kitchen Creation. Bye.